Our Monday special Midcap Mania with Nigel D'Souza, and the stock on his radar is a company engaged in the business of polypropylene and thermal films. Nigel, take it away.
That's right, Sonia. In fact, the name of the company is Cosmo Film, and it has been a big mover in the last 1 month or so. So, as you said, yes, the company is engaged in packaging of household products. They also include a range of label, print lamination, industrial, as well as a specialty film. So that's really what the company does. But I'll tell you why I really picked this stock, because from September 8th itself, the stock has moved closer around 38%. If you take a look at it, in one single week or there, it moved around 22, 23% approximately. So it's been a big mover. And in this quarter itself, it's moved closer around 60%. So I'll be waiting for its numbers, because that's going to be quite interesting, given that the stock has seen a big move after the first quarter itself. So in terms of the shareholding pattern, we have promoters holding closer around 43% stake, institutions only 1% stake. But the promoter in the month of August itself, they bought twice from the open market. So they're buying their own shares, always a positive sign. They bought twice, and the total number of shares that they bought has been 1 lakh approximately. So now the promoter stake, as per last disclosed, has gone up by close to around 1%. I was telling you about their first quarter, it looked quite good. So on the top line itself, there was no growth whatsoever. It was down closer around to 8%, but margins and profitability was really expanded big time. So the margins expanded closer around 400 basis points approximately. It came in at around 11.7%, and the profitability as well surged up closer around 370%. That's backed by a better operational performance as well as interest rates falling. To tell you what the EPS was in the first quarter, we should get that graphic played up for you. In fact, the first quarter EPS was only around 9 rupees 50 paise, and you compare that with last full year, that was closer around 14 rupees. So clearly the first quarter has been a good one. What are the key benefits for this particular stock? In fact, they are key beneficiaries, given that they are into packaging. They benefit with falling crude prices. The US operations were a bit of a lag. It was giving you a big net loss. I spoke to the management a couple of times, and they have indicated maybe by the end of this year, they could even come to that break-even mark. The capacity expansions as well have been coming on stream, so watch out on that front. And importantly, debt reduction has been close to around 25% just in the last 2 years. Management is confident of sustaining margins, but yet again, currency goes wrong. You see raw material prices going up, and in fact, they'll be in trouble. Watch out for the stock. Back to you.
All right. At the moment, currency is strengthening, Nigel. So everything going good for Cosmo Films. Thanks a lot for joining us with that. And with that, let's invite Vishal Malkan, who is here to tell us what to buy or sell today.